IT Cosmetics have just launched a brand new serum by Redness, so let's have a look at it together. I'd describe this as a milky serum. It's purely skincare, it's not makeup. And there are very sheer little light reflecting green particles in here that are intended really to just slightly detract from any redness. So let me work it in for you. Even though it goes on green, it doesn't leave any pigment on the skin, so it's absolutely suitable for all skin tones. We recommend using it morning and night and 1 to 2 pumps each time. And what I like about this is it is quite rich, so you don't necessarily have to follow up with a moisturiser if you don't want to. Now, even though it will gently take down the redness, you'll notice that it's not an instant wow. If you want the instant wow, that's where the CC cream comes in. However, within 1 hour, this is proven to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, and then within a week, you should notice a reduction in the appearance of your redness. And the ingredients in here include colloidal oatmeal, which is in a lot of IT Cosmetics products actually, centella, which is very soothing and calming, and peptides. So if you've got redness, as the name would suggest, you're going to love it. But these kinds of ingredients are actually suitable for quite a lot of skin types. Like, we can all benefit from having a healthy functioning skin barrier. We can all benefit from having hydrated skin. So actually, I would describe it as quite an all-rounder. But as always, let me know if you've got any questions, and I'd really love to hear how you get on with this if you give it a try yourself.